Okay, me and Jason Rodden are here with the factory rep from York, working on a package unit. We're here not for the refrigeration issues, but we are here for a heat strip issue when it goes into defrost, when it gets very, very cold. But one thing that we're doing as a preventative measure, and this was recommended by the York factory rep, is to put AC Renew in. Comfort Systems is always called the Comfortaide. So if you have Comfortaide in your house, that's what this is. It's kind of like a Slick 50. It mixes with the oils through the refrigerant and makes everything work just more efficiently. Why we're doing it as a preventative measure is last year there's certain date codes, and this is not York equipment, this is Lennox, this is across the board. Anybody that used Copeland compressors, Copeland had a change. People say it's a problem with the oil. It wasn't really a problem with the oil per se. What they did was they put a rust inhibitor on the platings inside the compressor, and what that did was the oil basically just destroyed it, and a bunch of gunk will form. The gunk came and clogged a whole bunch of TXVs. So the whole industry was scratching their heads for months trying to figure out what the cause was and why all the TXVs were going bad. And it wasn't actually the TXVs themselves, it was actually the rust inhibitor creating gunk, clogging up the TXVs. But the industry answer and a preventative measure is to put our Comfortaide in. So me and Jason are doing a little bit of experiment. Have you released it yet, Jason?
No, 7 amps.
So checking the amps of the compressor to see if after we put the Comfortaide, if it actually goes down. So Jason's gonna go ahead and he's gonna release the Comfortaide into the refrigeration system. Jason, why do you have those old ratty gauges?
Because my other tech's got my good ones.
Never let people borrow your tools. And buy good tools, people. So the Comfortaide is getting sucked into the refrigeration circuit. And this is an expensive product, it's not cheap. Even that little can right there costs quite a bit of money. Jason and I have recently talked about a package for new installs where we put a UV light and we automatically put Comfortaide in with it, and a variable speed air handler. A nice package going into summer. I don't expect anything to change instantly. I'm going to give it a couple minutes to work its way through the system. So what amp were we at before we put it in, Jason?
7.2.
7.2?
I changed much because that was pretty good.
Yeah, it's a brand new, good operating 2-stage high efficiency system. I don't expect it to change much if it does, but just kind of an experiment. And the York factory rep is on his laptop right now looking up some specifications, so figured we'd show everybody the process of actually putting Comfortaide into your system while we had a couple of minutes here. But I have seen this years ago. This product's been out for a long time. Back in Florida, I used to put this stuff in on older systems, and I would watch amp draw drop by 3 to 5 amps sometimes, even more. And you could actually hear the system get quieter as soon as you put it in. So it's still at 7.2. Probably still working its way through this package unit. The factory rep is back here, so we're going to get with him. If anything changes, we'll update it in our next video.